Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use King C, Gillette Soft Beard Balm. First, ensure your beard is clean and completely dry. This allows the balm to absorb effectively. Next, scoop out a small, dime-sized amount of balm with your fingertip. Then, rub the balm between your palms until it melts and becomes smooth. This prepares it for even application. Once the balm is warm and pliable, begin working it into your beard. Start from the roots and move outwards to the tips, ensuring every strand is coated. Don't forget to massage some balm into the skin beneath your beard. This helps to moisturize and prevent dryness, promoting a healthy foundation for your beard. After applying the balm, use a beard comb or brush to distribute it thoroughly. This ensures even coverage and helps detangle your beard. Now, you can style your beard into your preferred shape. The King C, Gillette Soft Beard Balm offers a light hold, keeping your beard looking neat and well-groomed with a natural, healthy finish. Using King C, Gillette Soft Beard Balm regularly offers several benefits. It deeply conditions your beard, making it noticeably softer and easier to manage. It also helps to reduce beard itch and flakiness, keeping your skin comfortable. For more great deals and a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, check the description below. Enjoy your perfectly groomed beard.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.